Hello friends, today I will show you how to deploy your project into GitHub. So first thing first, make sure that your project is ready like this inside a folder, hotels, and then go to GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can make it using your Google account. Click on that. So I have this Gmail account, I will use that. Okay, we will have to give the permissions. And we will hit create account. So it will verify that account and create your GitHub account. Once verification is completed, you will be redirected to another page like this. So what you will do here, you will create a new repository. So what's a repository? Actually, this is a folder where you will put your all the project files here. So give it a name. So in this case I will give the name of the project. So it is hotel app Ebrastack. Okay, I'll give it this name, and these are all the things are as a default. I will hit create repository. So once your repository is created, you can just upload all the you can create new files or upload your existing files. So in our case, we already have our files. We will upload them all using here. Just choose your files. So we will click on choose files and then choose your files. So from my case, it is only YT videos and hotels. So I will Control A and select all of them and click open. So this will take some time to upload all of the files. And that's it. All of the files are here. Then come to the bottom of the page and click on commit changes. So after this process, all of your files are in GitHub. Everyone can see this and everyone can access this, download that and use that one. So what we will do today is actually deploy this so people can see your projects. So we will click on settings. After that, go ahead and find pages here. So in our case, it is here pages. After that, you will choose the branch. So make sure to choose the main branch and then click on save. And this is the last part. Okay, so once you have saved this, just go and refresh several times, and that's it, friends. So as you can see, you have the link of your projects here. Go ahead and copy this, share with your friends so they can paste it in the URL and see what is your project about. Okay, so this is a project where you can actually explore the hotels and book some room. For example, if you click on our rooms, there will